guys, it's Reagan Doherty with the Doherty Real Estate Group back here at the Ladera Ranch Farmers Market, and I am here with Jamie. Say hi.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So tell me, what is your business? What do you guys sell here?
So my business is Ardent Vegan. We make Jamie's Savory Almond Dip, which is the health food that tastes like junk food.
I love that. I love that. Health food that tastes like junk food. So tell me, what is this almond dip? What do you have in it? What flavors do you have? Why do you have so many customers coming back?
It's a very high protein, low carb, and gluten-free spread or dip. It's great on your sandwiches, wraps, bagels, or toast. Our dips use all clean ingredients. They're all vegan. There's no refined seed oils, no cholesterol. We've got a lot of vitamins and nutrients in there. It's just really healthy, clean eating.
Very nice. And why did you pick almond dip when you first started making this over anything else?
Almonds are a superfood. And when I originally started making the dip, I was on a really interesting diet, vegan keto.
Love it.
Believe it, super restrictive. I needed something that I could just eat a whole bunch of, get all my daily nutrients in, something healthy. This is ultimately what I landed on because I saw something similar in the store and kind of knew that I could do better.
Yeah.
And when I came up with this, it just turned out to be the right thing. And we started eating a whole bunch of it all the time. And the next thing you know, turned it into a business, and here we are.
So tell me, what is your favorite flavor and what do you think is your best seller?
My favorite flavor is the classic. It's got a sweet spot in my heart just because it's where it all started. We were making that one for over a year before the business even came to be.
Oh, wow.
But by far, our best seller is the garlic. Everybody loves garlic, and it's got a really big punch of garlic.
Oh, very nice. And I see you guys also sell different types of chips here, things to dip with the dip. Tell me more about that.
Well, because the dips are gluten-free, we needed to find something that was also clean, fresh, and healthy, also gluten-free. What we sell right now are the Korean radish slices. I call them nature's chip.
There you go.
A nice fresh crunch without the calories or carbs, and they're also gluten-free, of course.
Very nice.
We also have some sourdough bagel chips if you prefer something with the gluten or a little more crunch, but it can go on sandwiches, wraps, bagels, toast, pretty much anything you want to add it to.
That's awesome. And how did you find out about your nature's chip there?
So I originally went to the grocery store because, again, I was on a vegan keto diet and I was just looking around. What can I find? I pulled a whole bunch of veggies off the shelf. This one just became an instant hit in my house. It was originally daikon radish, but the Korean radish we've discovered since are a little bit less bitey and even a little bit sweet.
Okay.
Nice combo.
Very cool. Good to know. So what do you want people watching this video to know about your business so they come on down to the market and sell out all your dips?
I'd say, once again, it's the health food that tastes like junk food. So if you're looking for something that's really savory, scratches that itch on your taste buds, this is exactly it.
So tell me, where can people find you? If they can't make it to this Ladera Ranch Farmers Market, where else can they buy your dips?
So right now we're at Farmecas Farms in San Juan Capistrano on Fridays. We do Dana Point on Saturdays, the farmers market there. We're here at Ladera Ranch on Sundays as well. But you can order anytime pickup at our facility in Costa Mesa.
Okay.
Find us online, shoot us an email, and we'll get you set up.
Awesome. And we'll have all their information down below so they can reach out to you directly and pick out any of your dips.
Thank you.
Of course. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Jamie, for being here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.